you might want to tag everyone in your WhatsApp group, especially those inactive ones, just to nudge them, and you don't want to tag them one by one. So in WhatsApp have this feature where you can tag everyone at once in that same group. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can tag everyone inside the WhatsApp group. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Now this tutorial is very fast, let's make it quick. Okay, just go to any group and then click on the chat and then just type on this add icon and then it will come out all, mention all members in this chat. For this chat, I only have 1 people, so I cannot do this, alright? Let me just give you an example at another group chat. For example, I'm in this group chat, so I just need to click on add and then you can see that or the all name comes out. You can tick one by one or you can just mention all members in this chat. So you can, when type add, you can see all the list of people for you to add to chat. So easily you can just put all and then you will just message and tag everyone in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so yeah, so that's easily how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much and I see you next time. Goodbye.